Hello, dear children. I'm here with the lesson Neha's Alarm Clock, which is second chapter in your class 4 English. It is a story of a small girl who loves to sleep till late in the morning, but her alarm clock doesn't allow her to sleep. So she doesn't like her alarm clock. What will happen further in the story? We'll see. In this story, we have three characters: Neha, her mother, and narrator. See, let me tell you, narrator is a person who tells a story, who tells us the situation of story. Narrator वो होता है जो हमें कहानी बताता है और कहानी कैसे चलती है वो बताता है. सो लेट्स सी द स्टोरी. सबसे पहले मैं आपको स्टोरी सिंपली बता देता हूँ. एक छोटी लड़की है नेहा, जिसको सुबह सोना बहुत ही पसंद है, लेकिन उसका जो अलार्म क्लॉक है वो उसे सोने नहीं देता, बजता है और उठा देता है. सो नेहा चाहती है कि कभी ये अलार्म ना बजे. उसकी एक ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाती है, अलार्म गिर जाता है, टूट जाता है. मगर दूसरे दिन जब वो सो रही होती है तो कुछ बर्ड्स आते हैं उसकी खिड़की में और उसे उठा देते हैं. फिर चाहती है कि ये बर्ड्स भी ना आए और ये भी उसकी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाती है. मगर तीसरे दिन सूरज आता है, सूरज की रोशनी से पूरा घर भर जाता है और फिर उसकी आंख खुल जाती है और नेहा को उठना पड़ता है. नेहा चाहती कि सूरज भी ना आए और ये उसकी ख्वाहिश भी पूरी हो जाती है, सूरज भी नहीं आता. मगर फिर उसकी मम्मी की आवाज आती है कि उठ जाओ. फिर नेहा को उठना ही पड़ता है. नेहा तैयार होकर स्कूल जाती है, लेकिन फिर नेक्स्ट डे ये होता है कि ना तो अलार्म क्लॉक बजता है, ना खिड़की में पक्षी आते हैं, ना सूरज आता है और ना उसकी मम्मी की आवाज आती है. मगर वो फिर भी उठ जाती है. वो अपनी मम्मी को बुलाकर पूछती है कि मम्मी, मैं कैसे उठ गई, किसने मुझे उठाया? मम्मी हंसती है और कहती है कि तुमने खुद ने उठाया. नेहा कहती है मैं कैसे उठा सकती हूँ, मैं तो सो रही थी. फिर मम्मी कहती है कि एक बात मुझे बताओ, तुम दोपहर में 1 बजे ही खाना क्यों खाती हो? नेहा कहती है मुझे भूख लगती है तब. फिर मम्मी पूछती है कि तुम रात को 9 बजे ही क्यों सो जाती हो? नेहा कहती है मुझे नींद आती है. फिर मम्मी कहती है कि यही तो कारण है कि हमारे अंदर एक बॉडी क्लॉक होती है जो हमें बार बार ये एहसास दिलाती है कि हमें कब खाना है, कब सोना है, कब उठना है. और फिर नेहा ये बात समझ जाती है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी. नेहा's alarm clock. Narrator said, ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Snuggles under the warm blanket. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Neha said, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its duty job sometimes. Narrator. Sometime something falls. Neha smiles. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the window sill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Bird said, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha said, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's come true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning the sun is behind the clouds, so Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother said, "Wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus." Neha said, "Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up?" There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. You can imagine what happens the next day. Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha said, "Ma, who woke me up today?" Mother smiles. Mother said, "Who else? You, of course." Neha said, "But I was sleeping. How could I?" Mother said, "Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon?" Neha said, "I feel hungry." Mothers, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother said, There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up." Neha said, Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus." Mother said, "Relax, today is Sunday." Neha said, Oh. So we have seen in the story, Neha made wake up one by one, once by alarm clock, the next day by choppy birds, next day by sun, next day by her mother. But one day when there is no one, no alarm clock, no birds, no sun, no her mother's voice, but still Neha woke up herself and she asked her mother, "Who woke me up today?" Mother said, "It's a body clock inside you which tells you when to sleep, when to eat, and when to wake up." So, this is the story. Now, let's see some new words. New words. First one, snuggles. To be in a comfortable position. ऐसी स्थिति जो आपको अच्छी लगे. Snuggles. Mutters. Say something in a very low voice. बहुत सी धीमी आवाज में कुछ बोलना. Window sill. The bottom part of the window. खिड़की का जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा होता है, it is called window sill. Relax. Free from tension. Let's see some question answer. Reading is fun. Tick right the correct answer. After each question, three options are given and we have to choose the correct one. The first question, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Options are 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Yes, the correct answer is C, 6 o'clock. Second question, what did the birds say? Options are sleep on, wake up, go and play. Yes, the correct option is B, wake up. Third one, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? The options are our body clock, our eyes, or our feet. Yes, the correct option is A, our body clock. Question number 4, put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Here we are given some letters, but they are not in a correct order. If we arrange them in a correct order, it will become a meaningful word. So we have to rearrange the jumbled letters to make a meaningful word. So here ILESM is given. The correct word is SMILE, smile. MRALA. The correct word is alarm. ALARM. Next one, OCKLC. The word is CLOCK, clock. The next word, NORMING. The word is MORNING, morning. EDORNS. The word is SNORED, snort. Snort means खराटे लेना, जो हम आवाज करते हैं ना वो. The next word WODWIN. The word is WINDOW, window. Let's listen and talk. Question 1. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. Sounds you heard, sounds your friend heard. Dear children, this question will be done by you. When you are on your way to school, just pay attention to the sound around you and listen them. And whatever sound you hear, list them here. Note it down here. And ask the same thing to your friend also and list the sound that your friend hears, list them here. So it will be done by you. Let's see the next question. If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? यदि आपके घर में घड़ी नहीं है आपके रूम में, तो आप कैसे उठोगे? Will you continue to sleep or else? Answer: Yes, if there is no alarm clock, my mother's call wake me up. यदि घड़ी नहीं है तो हमारी मम्मी उठा देगी. Third one, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Yes, these are the different ways to know the time during the day. One is clock, second is sun position, third one is shadow, and fourth one is some TV program. These are some ways through which we can know the time during the day. Word building. Find the hidden words. Here we are given one grid and some letters are written in this grid, and we have to find these words in this grid. The words are mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, and Sunday. So let's see the answer. Here is the answer. One word is already done in your textbook, mother. Here you can see MOTHER, mother. Second one word is birds. So here BIRDS, birds. Clock. Here it is given CLOCK, clock. The next one is alarm. Here the word alarm is given. Happy. The next word is happy. So you can see this word HAPPY, happy here. And morning at the bottom, MORNING, morning is given. Holiday, here you can see the word holiday. The next word hungry, in the first column it is given hungry, and the last word Sunday, it is given here at the third last row, Sunday. The next question, let's write the question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? Here some words are given, sentence is given, and we have to answer that these words are said by whom and to whom. किसने कहे और किसको कहे. The first words, wake up dear, wake up fast. Yes, bird said this and to Neha. Second one, Ma, who woke me up today? Neha said this and she said to her mother. Third one, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Mother said this and to Neha. Question number 2, use the help box to fill in the blanks. Help box, was and were. Here we are given two words, was and were, and we have to choose from these two words to fill in the blanks. The correct word should be chosen. So let me tell you children where was is used and where were is used. Was is used with singular subject. जब subject singular हो, एक वचन हो, तब was use होगा, और जब plural हो तब were use होगा. So let's start filling the blanks. Ram dash a good football player. Ram is a singular subject, so was is used. Ram was a good football player. The cows. Cows here is a plural, so were is used. Cows were grazing in the field. Toys, again toys is a plural verb, so were is used. Toys were broken. Her frock, यहाँ पर एक ही फ्रॉक है, so it's a singular. So her frock was too long. E, the market desk closed. Market is a singular subject, so was is used. The market was closed. The children, children is a plural, so the children were happy. Flowers, again flowers, it's a plural, so flowers were kept in a vase. Question number 3, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. Some words, some clues are given, and these are pulled out, inside, called out, behind, and under. We have to look at the picture, and according to picture we'll choose the correct words from given words and fill in the blanks and complete the paragraph. So it's a story of a girl, a small girl. She said, yesterday I lost a book. Book uski kho gayi. I looked for it everywhere. Now see the picture. Girl is looking behind the door. So I looked dash a door. So correct option is behind. Yes, I looked behind a door. Another one, I looked dash a cupboard. Now see, a girl is looking inside the cupboard. So I looked inside a cupboard. I looked dash a bed. Now see, she is looking under a bed. So I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I dashed Sheru. So now see, a girl is calling out her dog Sheru. So then I called out, Sheru, Sheru, my dog came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. And the last one, he dashed another book from my bag. Now you can see a dog is pulling out a book from the bag. So he pulled out another book from my bag. Fun time. Here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. Here a word clock is given and we have to write its sound, another word, picture, write, word in your language, name different parts or times and make a sentence. So let's see. Here is the answer. Clock. Sound. The clock sound is tick tick. Another word for clock is watch. When we wear in our wrist, it is called wrist watch. So another word is watch. Picture, you can see the picture of a clock. In your language, हिंदी में हम इसको घड़ी कहते हैं. So घड़ी. Name different parts or times. So here some parts of a clock are given. Dial. It is called dial. Hour hand, face, minute hand, and the last make a sentence. So here sentence is made, is written. The alarm clock wakes me up in the morning. See children, you can make your own sentence also, and here you will make picture your own. Here one another word is given. Here is a word morning. Now write down words related to it. So we have to write some words related to morning. So here the sound we hear in the morning is given. Chirp chirp, the sound of birds. Another word, morning is also called dawn. Dawn is another word for morning. Here picture is given of morning. In our language हम इसे सुबह कहते हैं हिंदी में. So in your language सुबह. Some words related to morning like milkman comes every day, newspaper boy comes, and sun rises in the east in the morning. Here one sentence related to morning is given. I go to school every day in the morning. These are some examples. You can write answer your own and do this exercise yourselves. Try to write answer yourself. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you, children. Again, I'm giving you some homework related to this lesson. Please read the story again from your textbook. इस कहानी को फिर से अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में से एक या दो बार पढ़े. Write down new words 2 times in your notebook and write all the question answers given in your textbook, and answers are given in this video. So thank you so very much again, but please don't forget to do the homework given to you. Thank you.